Welcome back to Hurry Creates. Today's devlog for Chaos Cross is going to be action-packed with exciting updates. Let's dive right in. Today, I'll be talking about player abilities, enemy knockback, post-processing, and Unity's input system. The first ability that I added was Sprint. This will allow you to get out of tight situations while in combat and just move around a lot quicker. The next thing I added was Dash. This will allow players to enter or exit combat more strategically. These abilities are driven by scriptable objects. Here's a peek at their setup. Notice how the scriptable objects integrate with the player's script. This allows for easy tweaking and balancing. In the future, I'm going to move some of these variables out so that it makes for a more modular code. The abilities that I just showed you use an abstract class structure. Here's the code that lays the foundation for all player skills. In the child class, I override the initial methods and provide any kind of parameters that the ability might need. In the case of Dash, I added 3. In the player script, I define those parameters and then I trigger them. For combat, I wanted to add impact to the enemies. Here's an example of what I was going for using the player damage knockback. I thought this would be a simple issue to fix, but unfortunately things didn't go as planned. The effect isn't working at all here. All you really see is the camera shake and some of the other damage effects I've already added. After banging my head against the wall for several hours, the solution was actually very simple. And here's the final result. The enemies now react to the damage given to them. In the future, I'm probably going to add a way for enemies to resist knockback depending on what enemy it is. Visuals play a huge part in a game. Here's the scene before adding any post-processing. And here's what it looks like after. You can see that everything's a lot more vibrant, including the player, the bullets, the XP drops, even the enemies. I also added a particle effect when the enemies get hit by bullets. I even added a particle effect when the player moves. It looks kind of like they're walking in the rain, and I'm hoping to change this based on what terrain they're on. I also updated the input system. Originally, it just kind of detected when the player was shooting based on update. And here's the new input system. You can see it has a start and end attack, which allows for a lot more scalable system in the future. Just like with my scriptable objects, I do like to set up an abstract class as the parent. Animations are what bring a character to life. Here's the new idle animation. And here's the walk/run animation. It's simple and expressive. That's it for today's devlog. Thanks for tuning in. Interacting with my content is the best way to support me, so please consider doing so. I hope to see you guys in the next update. See you.